Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Share and Shine. Here I am back with yet another recipe video. It's yummy friends. I just loved it and hope you all will also like it. Cut the baby corns into half and the bigger one you can cut them in between and then let it boil for some time. Here I have taken 2 big tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped from the baby corn. I have drained out the excess water. Garlic and gingers are chopped. Some corn flour powder. Along with it we also need some maida powder. I have taken some garlic ginger paste as well. Add some garlic ginger paste into the baby corns. Here I have taken this packet one. You can grate and use the raw one, which is better. To this I am going to add some corn flour powder. Here I have taken approx 200 grams of baby corn, to which I am going to add approx 5 to 6 tablespoons of corn flour powder. To this we are going to add maida powder as well, approx 5 to 6 tablespoons of maida powder. Now mix it well. I have not taken here extra water as there was already some water left in the baby corns after straining it out. But if it gets more thicker, then you can add few drops of water as well. And yeah, based on the consistency, if you feel it becomes more liquidy, then you can add some corn flour or maida powder as well. So to this I am going to add some salt as per your taste, and you can add approx half tablespoon of salt. I have added here. Mix. This is how it looks like after mixing, lightly coated with corn flour and maida powder. Put some oil into a pan and let it heat. Put oil enough to fry the baby corns from both the side. Once the oil is heated, put your baby corns and fry it until it turns golden brown. Here I have taken out the baby corns into a plate. Baby corns are fried completely into golden brown. It looks yummy, isn't it friends? So in the same pan I have added 1 grated onion and chopped garlic and ginger. Now fry it until it turns light brown. Once the grated onions turned light brown, we are going to add the chopped veggies, that is the chopped onions, chilies and the chopped tomatoes. Now cook this for some time. Close the lid and let it cook. Add some masalas. Here I have added jeera powder, coriander powder, chicken masala, chili powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now give it a good mix. After mixing, let it again cook for some time. To make the gravy, here I have taken bhut jolokia sauce, vinegar. We'll add few drops, approx 1 tablespoon. Also I have taken here tomato ketchup, adding approx 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of bhut jalakia, and 1 cup of vinegar. Also, let's add some soya sauce to it, approx 1 tablespoon. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour powder mixed to a cup of water. Stir it well and then pour into our masala mixture. This will help us to make the gravy. If it gets thicker, then you can add approx 1 cup of water to this. I have added here 1.5 cup of water and then let it cook for some time. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the corns into the gravy and then mix it well so that the corns get coated with the masala gravy. After adding the baby corns, cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes in low flame.